Hello everybody, myself Ananya Mishra, and on behalf of K Plus Classes, today I'll be doing the chapter The Heart of the Tree, which is written by Henry Kyler Burner. So we'll be covering four parts. The number one is we'll be doing the summary of the poem. Secondly, we'll talk about the theme of the poem and then the parts of speech used in the poem. And lastly, the important questions from this poem. Now, coming to the introduction of this poem. The poem is written by Henry Kyler Burner, who is an American poet and a novelist. So, in this poem, he talks about the glory which the mankind does by planting a tree. Now, when we plant a tree, we have a different aspect of why we are planting a tree. But in this case, the poet has a different aspect. According to him, he thinks the mankind who is planting the tree is not only contributing towards, the growth of the nation, but also he is contributing towards the betterment and is making a living legacy for the coming generations to come. Okay, so the theme of the poem is based on the gratefulness of planting the tree and the glory of the mankind who plants a tree. Now, the symbol of it all, the tree also denotes the symbol of peace. It is important to note that the tree is used as a symbol of whatever good happens in our life. It is a symbol of peace and prosperity. It also ensures the rewards which we are planting for the unborn children, like the generations to come. Okay, so the tree is also compared, and the tree is also explained with different angles. Few of them are he plants a friend of sun and sky. Over here the tree is compared to be the friend of sun and sky. He plants the flag of breeze free, the shaft of beauty towering high. So these are all the comparison which the tree is being made with. Okay, so in the first stanza, the poet underlines the value of planting a tree. The one who plants a tree not only just plants a tree but also does many other things. Okay, so we all know that the benefits of tree, like हमें पता है हम जब पेड़ उगाते हैं तो उसके कितने सारे बेनिफिट्स हमें मिलते हैं. ठीक है, सो उन्हीं में से एक है कि जो ट्री है वो एटमॉस्फेयर का फ्रेंड है. कैसे? बिकॉज नंबर वन, द ट्री रिड्यूसेस द एयर टेम्परेचर. इट एब्जॉर्ब्स ऑल द डस्ट, पोलन फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर, द स्मोक फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर, एंड प्योरिफाइज इट. ऑल्सो इसीलिए बोला जाता है कि ट्रीज का होना हमारे लाइफ में कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है. बिकॉज ऑफ द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ ट्री वी आर मेकिंग आर लाइफ ऑन अर्थ हेवन. Without trees we have nothing on earth, because उससे हमें ऑक्सीजन मिल रहा है, which is most important, right? So he further tells that planting a tree not only has just one benefit but several others. Also मे भी पता है कि trees birds के लिए घर होते हैं. So the poet has also mentioned about this, that the birds जिसका delightful song जो हम during twilight सुनते हैं, like evening के time जो हम सुनते हैं, that bird also lives on the tree. So we are also making shelter for the tree. So there are various aspects of planting a tree. Also, as I've already mentioned, plants trees, it also denotes the peace of harmony, the symbol of peace and harmony. The poet repeats the question again. Like if you have gone through the lines of the poem, you will know, like in the start of every stanza, the poet asks a question that what does a man who plants a tree, like he plants along with it? And again he answers himself to his own question. So we have an answer for this. Like the poet himself gives us the answer. The simple answer of this is by planting a tree. Number one, by planting a tree we get shade. One of the most important aspect is we get shade. Along with that, trees के वजह से we get tender rain. Rains, you know, proper rainfall every year. Also, which is very much important for the existence of life on Earth. Then it also talks about the trees gives us seed which sprout, and the birds, like जो fruits होते हैं छोटे वाले birds, which blooms, like छोटे से जो fruit होता है वो बड़ा होता है, trees पे ही मिलता है ना, like very basic. उसके बाद after that, the poet also considers the tree to be the forest's heritage. Like we all know that forest means trees, which is the one of the now which is in a verge of extinction, like बहुत सारे forests and stuff जो कि खत्म हो रहे हैं, because we are cutting down trees and we are using those land for some or other purpose, like building our schools or building big buildings and organizations over there, and we are cutting down the forest. So trees are our harvest, trees are our heritage. And lastly, it also bridges a also the tree bridges the link between the today generation when we are planting for the coming generations, like in the third stanza, the poem talks about the other benefits of planting a tree. So the poet talks about the other benefits of planting a tree. Like when we plant a tree, we also get to learn, and it shows that our good qualities, which is love and loyalty. When we nurture a tree, like हम जब अपने अपने खुद से पेड़ उगाते हैं, we have a sense of responsibility towards it. We know that we need to protect this. Like हमें पता है कि हमें इसको केयर करना है, हमें इसे नर्चर करना है, एंड वी नीड टू properly provide all the like safe environment, good environment for the tree to grow. So that shows how much sense of loyalty and love we have towards the tree, and it also grows within us. It also does civic good to the people, and it also benefits to the neighbor. Like जब हम tree grow करते हैं, it not only benefits us, like जो tree है, it also provides shade to our neighbors. It also provides fruits and rest other things to our neighbors as well. Like we are not the only one who are getting benefits from it. Our neighbors are also getting it. The poet also thinks that the growth of the tree denotes, or in a way we can say contribute towards the development of the nation itself. I mean, it is very much obvious. According from the perspective of the poet, he thinks that the growth of the tree, the way the way it grows, and the sense of care and concern we have towards it, it shows the growth of our nation. Okay, so अभी तक हमने क्या सीखा, like what is the poem all about? So basically यहाँ पे जो poet है वो अपने side से he is trying to convey the message to the reader that what are the benefits of planting a tree. He has talked about a lot of benefits जो हमें tree से मिलता है, चाहे वो shade हो, चाहे वो bird के लिए हम एक shelter बना रहे हो, चाहे the fruits the tree is giving us, the it also shows, and the contribution जो हमने किया है towards the prosperity of our nation. And it also talks, like the poet also talks about the gratefulness of the mankind जो tree को grow करता है. और he has also told कि हम अगर tree को grow कर रहे हैं, we are doing this in present, which is going to serve for the future generations to come. So बहुत सिंपल सा पोएम है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ इतना ही हमने पढ़ा है कि हमारा क्या, जब हम ट्री को ग्रो करते हैं, हाउ बिग वी आर बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग दिस, एंड return में the tree is also giving us so much. So coming on to the third part of today's video, which is, as I've mentioned, we'll discuss few of the figure of speech. So we have listed down all the figure of speech used in this poem. So you can take a snap of it, and then we'll further move on to the important questions from this poem. Okay, so these are the few important questions which I have listed down from the examination point of view. The first question is significance of title of the poem, The Heart of the Tree. This is a very important question because this sums up the entire poem. In this, for this answer, you need to justify that why this title is apt for this particular poem, and you know the answer already. We have talked about the goodness of the tree, what all benefits we are getting from the tree, so we have to list down all those for this answer. Coming on to the next question, what do you mean by the flag of breeze tree? Okay, so over here this is basically a metaphor. We are talking about the free breeze which we are getting from the trees which we have planted. It talks about the gentle breeze which we get from the branches of the tree. And the third question is, what is known as mother croon of bird? Why is the song sung in hushed voice? So what is known as mother croon of the bird? The answer for this is the mother of the baby who is staying up on the tree and who is singing lullaby for the bird's baby. The mother bird who is singing lullaby for the baby bird. And why is the song sung in hushed voice? Basically, the song is not sung in hushed voice, but we are hearing the song in hushed voice because this song we are hearing during the time of twilight. At this particular time, there is no such, loud noise which we hear. So we are able to hear this noise in a very low voice. And for the last two questions, we have the answers of all the questions in our Instagram page. In the highlights, we have made a separate highlight for these questions. So you can check that out. You will find the answers of all the questions, the one I have discussed and the one which I haven't. And I'll mention the link of our Instagram channel below in the description box to check it out. Also follow us on Facebook. I'll be mentioning all the links of both the handles in the description box. And if you like this video, please do like it and share it with your friends. Please do that and subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification so that you will not miss any of the videos, because this will really help you. So till then, take care and yes, keep supporting us. Bye.